Hey guys, this is a XO stone kitchen we just completed. I'm going to show you how to turn on this XO XLT grill. A lot of people ask that question. I'm going to lift the hood. I'm going to push this knob in. You're going to hear the gas flowing, hissing. Turn it, click, boom. Fire's on. You're not going to see it during the daytime, but you can hear it. Also, the red knob that turns red. This is the middle burner. Push in, turn, snap, boom, middle burner's on. We got the left burner. Push in, hiss, snap, burner's on. Alright. This controls the lights. So we got the lights in the bottom here for the knobs. And this one controls the interior grill lights. On, off. Simple as that. Close the lid, let it heat up. And you'll be grilling in 15-20 minutes.